A very good morning and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of mathematics, we are going to learn about circle. And what is a circle? Circle is a simple closed curve. So, if you see the shapes like wheel, plate, coin or the bangle of your mother, all these shapes, what do they remind you of? So all these shapes are made by the help of circle. The shape of all these things are circle. All these objects remind us of the shape of circle. And a circle is nothing but a simple closed curve. Okay, it is a closed curve as you can see, and it is a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means that a curve which should be closed, okay, from all the sides, and simultaneously the curve should not cross itself. Okay, so that is why it is called a simple closed curve. So here you can see the diagram of a circle. Now the length around the circle is called its circumference. Okay, so as you can see the length around the circle, this length, okay, suppose you have started making the circle from this point, okay, on your notebook, and then you have again come up at this point. So the length, this length around the circle is called its circumference. So I hope this much is clear to everyone, that a circle is a simple closed curve. That means a circle is a closed, it is not open from any side, and it is simple. Why? Because this curve doesn't cross itself, okay, anywhere in between. That is why it is called a simple closed curve. And the shapes like wheel, plate, coin, bangle, all these shapes remind us about the circle. And this length of the circle is called its circumference. Now, after understanding about the circle, okay, and its circumference, now it's time to understand that what is a diameter. So the blue line in the circle, across the circle, which you can see here, is called its diameter. So the line across the circle is called its diameter. Here the blue line which you can see, which is going across the circle, is called its diameter, right? And the diameter goes across the widest part of the circle. It is going through the widest part of the circle, and this blue line is called the, starting from here till here, this entire line is called the diameter. Okay, and this orange line which I have made here is called the radius of the circle. Now one more thing you can see, that this diameter and this radius, the diameter and the radius, okay, both are meeting at a point, and this point is called the center of the circle, right? So this orange line, okay, is the radius of the circle, and this blue line is called the diameter of the circle, right? And this point where the radius of the circle and the diameter of the circle are meeting is called its center. Okay, so this blue line is called the diameter of the circle, and the diameter goes through the center of the circle, right? And the line on top meeting the diameter at the center of the circle, which is O, okay, this is O, center of the circle, this line is called the radius. So by this diagram we can understand one thing, that a diameter is just double of the radius. Suppose if the length of the radius of a circle is 3 centimeter, so what will be the length of the diameter of the circle? It would be 6 centimeter. So here if I ask you that tell me what are the radius of the circle, so this line, this blue line, starting from this point till the circle is also a radius, and this point starting from the center till here is also a radius. but this entire line will be called the diameter. Okay, so here we have a radius, but if we extend this line till here, so again we will get another diameter. So I hope the diameter and the radius concepts are clear to everyone. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose the radius of a circle is 4 centimeter. So what will be the diameter of the circle? It would be 8 centimeter. Now you can see that the diameter goes through the center of the circle. This is the diameter that is going through the center of the circle. Here QR is a diameter. Okay, and the radius runs between the circle and its center, and here we have a radius, okay, which is running between the circle and its center. Okay, so between the circle and its center, this OP is also a radius, this OQ is also a radius, and this OR is also a radius. Okay, and what is the diameter? This OQ is a diameter. Okay, and the length around the circle, this is called circumference. So here we can understand that the length, this length around the circle is called its circumference, and here this O, okay, this O is the center of the circle. Okay, how many radius do we have? We have 3 radius. OP, okay, OQ is also a radius, OR is also a radius, and diameter here is, it should be QR. Okay, I have written OP, but it should not be. I'll make it correct for you. Okay, so this is not, diameter is QR. Okay, so QR is the diameter, right? So I hope this is clear. So this line, okay, this line is the radius, this line is also a radius, and this line is also a radius, but this entire line starting from Q till R is the diameter of the circle. So here we can understand a relationship between the diameter and the circle is that the diameter, okay, is the double of the radius. Okay, I hope this is clear, that a diameter is just the double of the radius. Suppose here the length of this radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, if it is 3 centimeter, and I ask you that tell me what would be the diameter. So if we will extend this line, okay, it is not made appropriate. Suppose I have extend this line, so this entire line would be called the diameter, and the length would be 6 centimeter. So the relation between the diameter and the radius we will be discussing in the next video. Till then you have to remember that the diameter of the circle, okay, is just the double of its radius, right? So this we have to remember, it's just the double of its radius. Okay, or in other words we can also say that the radius, right, the radius of a circle, okay, is just the half of the diameter. Okay, so all in this video we will be meeting in the next module, and I'll be explaining you about the relation between the diameter and the radius in a very nice way. Till then, take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.